Preparing for SAP BPC, Business Planning and Consolidation, certification requires a structured approach to cover the essential topics and gain the necessary skills. Follow these steps to prepare effectively. Understand the exam scope. Start by familiarizing yourself with the exam syllabus and objectives. SAP BPC certification may have different levels: associate, professional, and versions, e. Ensure you know the specific topics to be covered in the exam. Get official training. SAP offers official training courses that align with their certification exams. Consider enrolling in these courses, either online or in person, as they are designed to cover the exam topics comprehensively. Access SAP Learning Hub. SAP Learning Hub is an excellent resource for official SAP documentation, learning materials, and guided courses. It may require a subscription, but it's worth the investment for access to high-quality study materials. Hands-on practice. Practical experience with SAP BPC is crucial. If you have access to a sandbox or demo system, practice setting up models, running consolidations, creating reports, etc. The more hands-on experience you gain, the better you'll understand the application in real-world scenarios. Review documentation and guides. Familiarize yourself with SAP's official documentation, user guides, and implementation guides related to SAP BPC. These documents provide in-depth information about various features and functionalities. Join SAP Community. Engage with the SAP community through forums, discussion boards, and social media. You can find valuable tips, insights, and guidance from experienced professionals who have already earned the certification. Review sample questions and mock exams. Look for sample questions or mock exams specific to SAP BPC certification. These will give you an idea of the exam format and the types of questions you might encounter. Review integration points. Understand how SAP BPC integrates with other SAP modules like SAP BW, Business Warehouse, or SAP S/4HANA. This knowledge will enhance your overall understanding of the system. Time management. SAP certification exams are time-bound. Practice answering questions within the allocated time to improve your time management skills during the real exam. Stay updated. SAP regularly updates its products and certifications. Ensure that you are studying the latest version of SAP BPC and are aware of any changes or new features. Exam registration. Once you feel confident in your preparation, register for the SAP BPC certification exam through the SAP website or authorized exam centers. Remember that SAP certifications require dedication and effort. Don't rush the preparation. Take your time to understand the concepts thoroughly. Good luck with your SAP BPC certification journey. Please be aware that the professional level certification also requires several years of practical on-the-job experience and addresses real-life scenarios. Here's a more detailed elaboration on some of the key topics you may encounter in SAP BPC certification. Data Manager Packages. Understand how to create Data Manager Packages, which are used for data integration and data transformation between SAP BPC and other source systems. Learn about various package types, e. Import, export, transformation, mapping rules, and best practices for efficient data loading. Business rules and logic. Business rules in SAP BPC are used to define calculations, allocations, currency conversions, and other data manipulations. Learn about creating and managing business rules, understanding script logic, and using different functions available within the system. Consolidation process. Familiarize yourself with the consolidation process in SAP BPC, which involves bringing together financial data from different entities and reconciling intercompany transactions. Understand the consolidation methods, configuration of consolidation models, and currency translation. Data models and dimensions. Learn about designing and configuring data models in SAP BPC. Understand the concept of dimensions, e. time, entity, category, and how they relate to each other. Explore the options for customizing dimensions and properties to meet specific business requirements. Reporting and analysis. SAP BPC offers various reporting and analysis capabilities. Get to know the different reporting tools like EPM, Excel add-in and web client, and how to create and distribute reports. Understand how to use functions like drill down, slice and dice, and applying filters for data analysis. Security and authorization. Learn about SAP BPC security features to control user access and permissions. Understand how to set up user roles, tasks, and data access profiles to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Work status and business process flows. Work status and business process flows are used to control data entry, submission, and approval processes in SAP BPC. Understand how to set up and manage these features to streamline data input and validation. Integration with SAP BW, SAPS, 4HANA. SAP BPC can be integrated with other SAP systems like SAP BW and SAPS, 4HANA. Learn about integration options, data transfer methods, and leveraging data from other SAP modules in your SAP BPC application. Optimization and performance. Explore techniques for optimizing the performance of SAP BPC applications, such as data compression, aggregation, and partitioning. Understand how to monitor system performance and address potential bottlenecks. Real-time consolidation, RTC, if applicable to the certification version. Familiarize yourself with real-time consolidation, which allows for continuous consolidation processes with real-time data updates. Remember to refer to official SAP documentation, attend training courses, and practice hands-on exercises to reinforce your understanding of these topics. Taking the time to thoroughly grasp each subject will enhance your confidence and performance in the SAP BPC certification exam. This certification test verifies the knowledge in the area of SAP Business Planning and Consolidation 10. It validates that the associate consultant has a good sound knowledge and understanding of SAP Business Planning and Consolidation in SAP Business Planning and Consolidation 10. 1. An SAP Business Planning and Consolidation version for SAP BW, 4HANA. BPC Embedded version 11. Based on that knowledge, the successful associate is able to apply those acquired skills to perform a variety of appropriate implementation, customization and maintenance-related tasks within a project team and contribute positively to the success of a project under the guidance of senior project team members. A typical associate, SAP Business Planning and Consolidation 10. 0 consultant would have a maximum of 3 years experience in the field, but project experience should not be prerequisite for a competent and well-trained candidate to pass this exam. To ensure success, SAP recommends combining education courses and hands-on experience to prepare for your certification exam, as questions will test your ability to apply the knowledge you have gained in training. You are not allowed to use any reference materials during the certification test, no access to online documentation or to any SAP system. Please see below the list of topics that may be covered within this certification and the courses that cover them. Its accuracy does not constitute a legitimate claim. SAP reserves the right to update the exam content, topics, items, weighting, at any time. Script logic and calculations 8% to 12%. Explain and position calculation options, syntax, and run script logic. Business rules 8% to 12%. Define the business rules by preparing the data, defining the global rules, and designing elimination roles. EPM add-in 8% to 12%. Use EPM reports and member recognition, control output for the EPM add-in, and save data from the EPM add-in. Integrated planning 8% to 12%. Configure info provider settings and objects, and build and optimize planning functions. BW integration 8% to 12%. Configure info providers, design characteristics, build process chains for planning and create BW queries. Models 8% to 12%. Explain model types and dimensions, configure embedded models, and describe BW integration for models. Environments and dimensions 8% to 12%. Configure environments and dimensions. Administration and LT 8%. Perform administration optimization and configure audit. Data manager and LT 8%. Design packages and import data using the data manager. Analysis for Office and LT 8%. Plan with analysis for Office. BPC web client consolidation and LT 8%. Execute BPC web client consolidation by preparing the data and running month-end closing tasks. Process control and LT 8%. Control and secure the process. Architecture and LT 8%. Explain BPC solutions and real-time planning in S/4HANA. All SAP consultant certifications are available as cloud certifications in the Certification Hub and can be booked with product code CER006. With CER006, SAP certification in the cloud, you can take up to 6 exams attempts of your choice in 1 year, from wherever and whenever it suits you. Test dates can be chosen and booked individually. Each specific certification comes with its own set of preparation tactics. We define them as topic areas, and they can be found on each exam description. You can find the number of questions, the duration of the exam, what areas you will be tested on, and recommended coursework and content you can reference.